Acids and bases have similarities in them. First, they both give a litmus test. Acid turns blue litmus paper red and bases turn red litmus paper. Acids also give a respiratory test, that is, they give a sour taste. Have a sour taste, and bases have a bitter taste. And the solutions have a soapy touch. Acids solutions in water conduct electricity. Bases also conduct electricity due to presence of ions. Fourth, when acid dissolves in water, it breaks down or dissociates into ions. Let's say what type of ions they break down. Hydrochloric acid, when it reacts with water, it will produce a hydrogen ion along with a chlorine anion. Okay. Since this reaction is not balanced, why it is not balanced? Because acid produce hydronium ions. You might ask, what is hydronium ion? Acid loses this hydrogen atom which gets added to water. So H plus H2O gives hydronium ion or H3O plus ion. For simplicity's sake, we denote this hydronium ion with H plus ion. Okay. So HCl, when it reacts with water or when it dissolves in water, it dissociates or it breaks into positive hydrogen ion and negative chlorine ion. Okay. Same thing happens with sulfuric acid. Since sulfuric acid is dissolving in water, that is why we denote it with the sign AQ. So sulfuric acid will break down into first hydrogen ion and sulfate anion. Okay. Since there are two atoms of hydrogen, so there will be two ions of hydrogen. Okay. Nitric acid, when it reacts with water, it also produces hydrogen ion and nitrate ion, NO3 minus. Since hydrogen atom is being added to water molecule, so it will H plus H2O gives H3O plus or hydronium ion. Okay. Now coming to all these three are strong acids, but acetic acid is a weak acid. So what reaction will this weak acid do with water? Let's see. First, acetic acid loses a hydrogen ion. Okay. So what is left? Acetate ion, which is a anion. Okay. So in all of these, we can see that acid produces a positive ion and a negative ion. And these two ions, both the positive and the negative ions, are needed to conduct electricity. Okay, why? Because positive and negative charge both are needed for the conduction of electricity. In the activity, we have noticed that the light the electricity is conducted in the hydrochloric acid solution, sulfuric acid solution, nitric acid solution, even the acetic acid solution. But electricity is not conducted in the when glucose is dissolved in water or when alcohol is dissolved in water. Why does it happen? This happens because when glucose dissolves in water, it forms an aqueous solution of glucose. There is no change in this reaction. The only change is that glucose, before the reaction, glucose was in solid form, and after the reaction, glucose dissolves in water and is in solution form, which is denoted by AQ. Same thing happens with alcohol. Ethanol is the normal alcohol which people drink. Okay, so people uh, mix water in the alcohol, okay, to make the alcohol dilute. So what happens? Does the molecular structure of the alcohol change? No, the alcohol becomes dilute. That's all. Okay, so there is no change when glucose and alcohol dissolve with water, and since they do not produce any ions, so they do not conduct electricity. Okay, now coming to bases. Bases also conduct electricity. If we dissolve sodium hydroxide in water and we pass electricity through the solution, then they will then conduct electricity will be conducted. Why? Because sodium hydroxide breaks down into positive sodium ion and negative hydroxide ion, that is sodium cation and hydroxide anion. Calcium hydroxide also, we have written AQ here because calcium hydroxide is has dissolved in water. Okay, calcium hydroxide also breaks down into calcium cation and hydroxide anion. Magnesium hydroxide also, magnesium cation and hydroxide ion. Since there are two atoms of hydroxide here, so there will be two ions of hydroxide here also. Here also there are two hydroxide of magnesium present, so here also there will be two anions of hydroxide. Okay, potassium cation and hydroxide anion. Okay. Now, let's talk about bases. Bases can be metal oxide or hydroxide of a metal which reacts with an acid to produce salt and water. So, base can be a metal oxide and it can also be a hydroxide. But not all bases are soluble in water. Some bases are soluble in water, some bases are not soluble in water. Those bases that are soluble in water are called alkalis. Hence, alkalis can be bases, but not all alkalis, not all bases can be alkalis. Okay, सारे alkalis बेस हो सकते हैं क्योंकि alkalis वाटर soluble होते हैं, बट सारे बेस alkali नहीं हो सकते क्योंकि कुछ कुछ बेस जो होते हैं वो वाटर में soluble नहीं होते हैं. For example, let's see. These are the oxides, these are bases. Sodium monoxide ये एक बेस है, कैल्शियम ऑक्साइड ये एक बेस है, क्यूप्रिक ऑक्साइड ये भी एक बेस है, जिंक ऑक्साइड ये भी एक बेस है. दे कैन बी सोल्यूबल इन वाटर, दे कैन नॉट बी सोल्यूबल इन वाटर, बट उससे कोई फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता कि वो सोल्यूबल है या नहीं है क्योंकि ये ऑक्साइड फॉर्म में भी बेस ही, ये ऑक्साइड फॉर्म में है लेकिन इनको बेस माना जाता है. बट क्योंकि ये वाटर में सोल्यूबल नहीं है तो इसे हम एल्कली नहीं मानते हैं. अगर सोडियम मोनोक्साइड को हम वाटर में डिज़ोल्व कर दें और सोडियम मोनोक्साइड वाटर में डिज़ोल्व होके जो उसका एक्वस फॉर्म होगा दैट इज़ सोडियम हाइड्रोक्साइड, वो एक एल्कली बनेगा. कैल्शियम ऑक्साइड जो वाटर में डिज़ोल्व होगा तो वो कैल्शियम हाइड्रोक्साइड बनेगा, वो एक एल्कली होगा. क्यूप्रिक ऑक्साइड जब वाटर में डिज़ोल्व होगा तो वो कॉपर हाइड्रोक्साइड बनाएगा जो कि एक एल्कली होगा. जिंक ऑक्साइड भी जब वाटर में डिज़ोल्व होगा तब वो जिंक हाइड्रोक्साइड बनाएगा जो कि एक एल्कली होगा. सो यहाँ पे ये ऑक्साइड्स बेस है बट दे आर नॉट एल्कलीज. सम soluble hydroxide are sodium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide, calcium hydroxide, ammonium hydroxide. Sodium hydroxide and potassium hydroxide are the strongest bases. Why? क्योंकि ये completely break down कर जाते हैं सोडियम कटायन और हाइड्रोक्साइड आयन में, और पोटेशियम completely break down कर जाता है पोटेशियम कटायन और हाइड्रोक्साइड आयन में. यहाँ पे कुछ इनसोल्यूबल हाइड्रोक्साइड्स भी हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल फेरिक हाइड्रोक्साइड और एंड एल्युमिनियम हाइड्रोक्साइड. ये दोनों वाटर में डिसॉल्व नहीं करते हैं या फिर ये वाटर में सोल्यूबल नहीं है, इसीलिए दीज कैन नॉट बी कंसिडर्ड alkalis but they can be considered as bases.